Measure the impact of teaching and learning through Purple Mash's Data Dashboard. Data Dashboard produces powerful and meaningful reports on children's attainment and progress, from formative to summative assessment at the click of a button. Easy-to-use filters enable precise and bespoke reporting. Closing gaps in learning is supported by detailed diagnostic information. Curriculum coverage of each subject can be identified with just a few quick clicks. Every time a child completes a school's reporting activity, such as spelling, maths or grammar, data is automatically stored and can be reported against. This saves hours of time marking. You can even add curriculum objectives and make judgments against quizzes or any application when you set a to-do or from the My Work area. This can also be done retrospectively on work. It's incredibly quick to do, and it's possible to flood fill for a whole class and just make a few modifications for individuals as needed. Let's take a look at some of the reports you can produce. You might want to see the impact of the spelling scheme of work. An average score for every spelling quiz, an average for a particular quiz with spelling foci, metric type, score, accuracy, questions correct, incorrect, time taken. You can simply click progression to show all attempts and the data captured for those, or drill down to a particular date. Perhaps look at the impact of the multiplications table check. Again, you have an average for key metrics, score, accuracy and speed, all helpfully color-coded. Expand on a metric to get detailed data. Show progression, you can focus in on starting and endpoints and obtain detailed diagnostics to formulate key improvement actions. Judgment reports. Any piece of work or activity with objectives judged will be part of this data picture. Curriculum subjects are here. In this example, I've clicked on Maths, Year 1, and the strand number and place value. Immediately, I can see curriculum coverage for the class. I can get an average for each of the strands or most recent performance. Here, I can drill down into individual objectives and then see averages, most recent performance or progression. I can even see the evidence. When teachers give rewards for pieces of work to support engagement, motivation and recognition of achievement, all of this data can be easily found and reported against in the data dashboard too. It's important to note that all data reporting selections can be instantly exported to Excel, and from the day schools start using Purple Mash, data will be captured automatically for scores generating applications.